Good morning, you guys. So today is February 1st, Monday, and I am deciding to do like a new video for you guys. This is going to be like a vlog style. Sorry, something was in my eye and I literally spent about a minute or two trying to get it out, and now my eye is irritated. But anyway, so I decided to do a different video for you guys, which will be like a day in the life of an influencer or content creator. I personally like to call myself a content creator, but I am in this like influencer, you know, type of environment. So we're gonna call it a day in the life of an influencer. So this is going to be just a vlog on what I do to prepare content for you guys, and you know, just to kind of give you a little bit of inside scoop, behind the scene, you know, type of, you know, deal or whatever. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I hope you guys enjoy it. I see a lot of people do this, but I specifically watch Aaliyah Face. You know, I know that she does this video, so I was inspired by my girl Aaliyah Face to, you know, do this type of video. I had already started doing things, but I was like, let me film this for the girls. So again, it is Monday, it's almost 10 o'clock. So what I like to do on a Monday is prepare my week. Since it is February 1st, I've already planned my month, my goals for February. When it comes to goals, I do personal goals as well as business goals. So I may have a certain amount of subscribers that I want to hit on YouTube. I may have a certain amount of followers that I want to hit on Instagram, things like that. Amount of money that I want to make in a month just for YouTube, or you know, just in general, including YouTube plus sponsorships. You know, one of my goals for the month may be to have a new sponsorship, you know, for the month. So that's how I plan like for the month. Now, like I said, for the week, I kind of take a glance at the week of what I need to do, what needs to be, you know, submitted as far as like sponsor content, any videos that I need to post, things like that, and then what I need to record. So that's that. So I've already planned all that out, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I am working for 2021. I am working to kind of get started a little bit earlier, because if you guys know, if you're recording things like that, it can take a very long time and your day is just like completely gone. Plus I have a puppy, you know, he's almost a year, but I still have a puppy and he requires a lot of attention. He is not independent whatsoever, so I try to get started earlier so I'm able to, you know, do a lot of other things at nighttime. We have two videos that I want to record today, or I need to record, which is a Shein video and a Misguided video. So I like to start off by making sure that I have my batteries charged. Come to the desk. Sorry, these are my Zane's treats. This battery pack is for my vlogging camera, which is what I am on now, and this is going to be for my main camera, which is what I'm going to record my videos with, like my clothing hauls and stuff like that. So I don't know if this is charged or not, but I just go ahead and plug it up, and if the light is green, then you know we're good to go. Here is the other battery. And a key tip for you guys is to always have at least two. I am ashy, don't mind that, girl. It is winter, okay? We have an excuse. But a key tip for you guys is to make sure that you have at least two batteries of everything. So again, I have a so this is my vlogging camera, and I have a battery already in here, so I'm able to, you know, record while this is charging. And once this battery in here goes dead, then I'm able to go ahead and switch it out and, you know, continue the work day. It's just going to help for your day to be efficient and you can keep going. And the same applies to my main battery. So let's go ahead and charge these. I just pick a spot, girl. So got that. Okay, it's yellow. It looks green, but it's yellow. Go ahead, and this will be an upside down. Bam. All right, so I'm waiting for these to turn green. Once it turns green, then I'll switch it out. I think this one is probably almost charged. I don't know, but I'm just gonna leave that right here, and we're gonna check on it in a little bit. So I have a lot of memory cards, and I keep them in this memory card protector case. I got this from Best Buy. This is a brand here, and I would try to link anything that I tell you down below. I'm not into tech like that, but I do personally like these memory cards better. But I also have these here. and I think I got them from Best Buy. I love the 128 gig because it just allows me to, again, be more efficient. I'm able to record more things without running out of space, especially when you're recording is larger files. Therefore, it's going to take up more memory as opposed to a 64 gigabyte. I can take pictures. I generally all of my pictures on here because, again, pictures are smaller files. It's not going to take up, correct me if I'm wrong, girl, okay? Like, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but from what I see, I've taken so many pictures and they're smaller files, so I have a lot more room on that 64 gigabyte. Like, I have like months worth of pictures on that 64 gigabyte, and I've taken hundreds of pictures, as opposed to if I use that 64 gigabyte to record with, I'm not going to be able to record many things on that. So I prefer 128 gigs because, like I state, it's just going to help me be more efficient throughout the day, and I'm able to pack a lot of stuff on that memory card. It comes with this small little memory card right here, and again, you can see it says 128 gigs. So this is what this is, like this little thing right here that I take out. I can put it right here in this little area. Okay, so now we're going to move on. Like I said, I have 2 videos to record today. They're both sponsored videos. One is for Shein and the other one is for Misguided. They're clothing hauls. Because I have a lot of items to go through today, I am going to hang my clothes up and separate them into sections because it helps me, you know, like I said, be a little bit more efficient throughout the day. And whenever I'm doing my haul, I can go in sections, and whenever I'm going in sections, people can kind of keep up. You know, I think it's easier for people. I got a lot of feedback from that, and a lot of people like that. So the batteries are charging. Let's go ahead and move into the bathroom. I do not have a shower curtain right now, but my last place I would still do this. I would just push the shower curtain all the way to the back, and I will hang the clothes up right here. Like I stated, once I come in here to change my clothes for the next look, it's just easier for me to see like everything. And then also, like I stated, all my coats and tops and bottoms or whatever will go here. So you'll see that, and you'll just watch me work.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. You do. Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's babe. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long.
All right, you guys, so I am ready to go. I did my hair and makeup, and I just threw on some jewelry. I'm actually about to eat something really quick because I'm probably going to be recording for the next like 3 hours, 4 hours. I know I'm going to be working for the next like 4 to 5 hours because once I finish recording, I'm gonna try and take some pictures. Yeah, so that's gonna be a while. And like I said, that Shein video is going to take a long time. So yeah, this is how we looking, you know, so far or whatever. And I'll catch you guys in a little bit. hair cleaned or whatever, because it was looking a little bit dirty in some of my other videos. So got that cleaned. And just use like this little box right here, and I sit that on top of my computer chair. Oh, and I use my laptop here as a monitor. I actually want an actual monitor, you know, something that's way bigger than this. It'll just help me be able to like kind of see if I'm in focus and, you know, things like that. And plus I don't really like this setup here, so I mean, but it's been working for me, not complaining. Got the 2 softbox light, ring light, and then the camera right here. So this is how we looking. So let's go ahead and start recording. You guys know I love Misguided. They have like you guys know I love Misguided. They have super trendy clothes, affordable. You guys know I love Misguided. They have some really trendy, unique clothing, and they're very much affordable. All the links will be listed in the description box below, as well as my clothing sizes. So make sure all the links will be listed in the description box below. All of the links will be listed in the description box below, as well as my clothing sizes. So make sure you check that out. Recording my Misguided video. It was really quick, really easy, so I went ahead and knocked that out the way. And now I'm about to move on to the Shein. I'm taking like a small little break when I say small, I mean very, very small, because sorry, you can't see me, but yeah, I mean very, very small, because like I have to keep the momentum going. If not, like I'm going to get really lazy, not want to do anything or whatever. So I'm already in the mood. Let me go ahead and, you know, continue. I'm gonna take like a little small bathroom break. And then also I am going to re-curl my hair just a little bit, just to make it fresh and ready for a new video. And if I need to, I'll probably like touch up any makeup. Not saying that this is necessary, but for me, I like to do that sometimes. I just wanted to, like, you know, freshen it up a little bit. Like I said, it's a brand new video. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Shein haul, and baby, when I tell you I got some fire pieces. I love doing these Shein hauls. You guys love my Shein hauls, so we're gonna keep them coming, okay? Keep them coming. So I am finished recording. It is 5:23, but I've been recording for a few hours now. We're about to finally turn off all these recording lights. You probably won't be able to see me. Bam. Turn off the lights right here, and bam. So got a little bit of the window lights coming in. Hey, sweet man. Hey, man. Oh, sweet boy. So I am finished taking pictures. I only took like 2 pictures, which I am so upset about. I kind of wanted to take like 3 or 4, but it's not even that serious. I tried to take pictures and I couldn't vlog me taking pictures because I was trying to take pictures on my camera, which was a fail. But I'm just super tired right now. Like, it is 7:22 p.m. Like, I've literally been up all day, been going all day, so I'm just really tired. Right, so I did check off everything that I needed to do. I'm about to try and edit this picture, and then I'm going to Oh yeah, send some emails. And then that will conclude my night. I like to designate Mondays as my recording days, and I also like to designate every now and then maybe Wednesday as my recording days. It just depends on like how much work I have to catch up on. But Tuesdays and Thursdays I like to edit like whatever I need to edit, whether that's reels, whether that's my actual videos or whatnot. Like I like to go ahead and edit that. These are all unedited. Let me see, wait a minute. I had to take these, you can't really see these. Oh, I mean, it's okay, can you see it? So these are all unedited. This is what I'm gonna try and like edit or whatever. I literally go in and I favorite the ones that I like. If you really like these type of videos and just being able to spend a day with me, please let me know. Give me a thumbs up. It lets me know that you do like these videos, and like I said, I have many more videos that I can do like this. Thank you so much for tuning in to my first day in the life of an influencer video. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video.